Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. In-app purchases refer to the additional content or features within a mobile application that you can use for a certain price. If you've been charged by mistake or you're disappointed with the feature you purchased, simply submit a refund request. In this video, I will show you how to get a refund for in-app purchases on your iOS device. Let's go. Since purchases of applications installed from the App Store are linked to your Apple ID and registered payment method, you can request a refund directly from Apple. Before submitting a claim, please note that refunds can only be made if the charge has already been billed. Also, refund eligibility varies by country or region. To get started, open your browser and go to reportaproblem.apple.com. For quick reference, click the tag in the top right corner or see the link below. Sign in with your Apple ID. And select Request a Refund to specify your concern. Upon selection, Apple will automatically provide a list of your eligible purchases. When the specific in-app item is listed, click on it and confirm by selecting the subtopic that corresponds to your reason for refund. Then click Next to submit your request and wait for Apple's response. Refund requests typically take between 48 hours and 60 days to be applied to the same payment method you used to make the purchase. In case your in-app purchase is not eligible for a refund from Apple, you can also try requesting one directly from the developer of the application. Just search for the name of the app, followed by Refund Request, to see if the service is available. If so, follow the app's specific refund instructions to submit your request. Do the same for other apps where you have made in-app purchases. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.